In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in DocuSign account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on each screen, so you can get into your account quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to your search engine. Type DocuSign in the search bar. In the results, look for the official DocuSign website. It typically appears near the top and has the domain DocuSign.com. The title often reads something like DocuSign, #1 in electronic signature and intelligent. If you see regional variations, such as a country or language indicator, that's okay. Use the one that matches your location or organization. Before you proceed, double-check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate DocuSign site. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account secure. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, locate the Login button, usually at the top right corner. Click it to move to the sign-in flow. The login experience can vary slightly by region, but the essential steps are the same. You'll land on a screen that asks for your email address. In the email field, type the address associated with your DocuSign account. This could be your work or personal email, depending on how you signed up. Take a moment to confirm there are no typos. It's best to enter this information manually rather than relying on browser autofill if you've had issues in the past. Remember, keep your credentials private and never share them in chats or videos. Click Next to continue. Now you'll see the password page. Enter your secure password exactly as you created it. Watch out for caps lock or extra spaces if you copied and pasted. If there's an option to reveal the password while you type, use it briefly to verify accuracy, then hide it again for privacy. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your company's sign-in page at this stage. Simply authenticate there, and you'll be sent back to DocuSign. When you're ready, click Login. After a moment, you should arrive at your DocuSign dashboard, where you can review envelopes, send documents for signature, and manage activity. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's normal. Quick recap. Find the official DocuSign site, click Login, enter your email, hit Next, type your password, and select Login. If you're on a shared device, make sure to sign out when you're done. That's it. Your DocuSign account is now accessible and ready to use.